Wow, that went 0 to 100 real quick. Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. For today's look, we are going to go ahead and start off using this Becca First Light Priming Filter. I really do like this primer, makes my skin look fresh and luminous and alive. So I'm just going to take that all over. Next, for my eyebrows, I'm going to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dipbrow Pomade in dark brown. Basically, the way that I do my eyebrows, I just outline my eyebrow first. I kind of try to stick to the natural shape of my brow. I'll start with the bottom of my brow first, and then I'll go ahead and outline the top, and basically I'll just fill in the rest of my brow. For the beginning of my brow, I'll just go ahead and lightly fill that in or brush that through with whatever's left from my brush. Then I'll take some concealer and a flat brush and I'll just go ahead and clean out the edges or carve out my eyebrows. I'm going to go ahead and take some primer or any concealer just to go ahead and give my eyelids a clean base. For my eye look today, I'm going to be using this baby right here, and this is the Violet Voss hashtag palette. I'm going to go ahead and start off with the shade Fresh, and I'm just going to take that on a brush and pat it all over my lid to go ahead and set the concealer. Next, I'm going to be taking the shade Goals on a blending brush, and I'm going to take that all over my crease as my transition shade. It's a very nice orange. It's super pigmented. I had never tried Violet Voss before, but I loved the quality and the pigment of the shadows. I think the palette worked amazing and the look stayed on all day. I really, really enjoyed this palette. Next, I'm going to take this shade right here. This is called TBT. And I'm going to use this shade on the outer corner of my eye. I'm going to start by patting that in to place the color where I want it. And then I'm just going to go ahead and take that same shade in the inner corner of my eyelid to start creating that halo look effect. Next, I'm going to take a blending brush and I'm going to take that initial shade that we used as a transition to just go ahead and blend out the edges so that we don't have any hard lines. For the center of my eyelid, I'm going to take the color Relevant on a flat brush and I'm going to place that right on the center of my lid where I have not added yet any colors. For my foundation, I used the Urban Decay All Nighter foundation. Unfortunately, my camera stopped recording while I was putting my foundation on, so I wasn't able to record any of that. But for my concealer, I am taking this Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer. Just going to go ahead and take that under my eyes, on my cupid's bow, under my chin, the bridge of my nose, and on my forehead as well. And I'm going to go ahead and be blending that out with this L'Oreal Beauty Blender sponge that I love so much. Next, I went ahead and took that Maybelline loose powder all over my face. Just kind of tapped it in everywhere to go ahead and set that foundation. To finish off the rest of my eye look, I'm going to go ahead and take this purple shade right here. This is called Life, and I'm just going to go ahead and take that on a brush and kind of outline the bottom lash and drag it out a little bit more. To warm up the rest of my face, I'm going to use this Urban Decay Beach Bronzer. And a little bit on the orangey side, but I do like it a lot and I don't feel that it looked bad on my skin, and I was looking a bit pale, so I needed that extra color on me. For my blush, I'm going to be using this Butter Blush. This is from Physicians Formula, and this is in the color Natural Glow. And I went ahead and used that with a pointed blush brush. To get this look poppin', I'm going to be using the Huda Beauty highlighter, and this is in the color Santorini. It's a beautiful highlight, honestly. Like, it just looks so great. Huda was not playing when she did this highlighter kit. To finish off the look, and for my favorite part of this whole video, I went ahead and I used this Huda Beauty contour and strobe lip set. And first I went ahead and I lined my lips with the lip liner that's included in the kit. Next I used the liquid lipstick, which is in the color Muse. And to really finish off the lips, I just went ahead and topped it off with this lip gloss, actually, in the color Angelic. And that's all for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed and liked this makeup look. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.